From this video, you will get tips to prepare for CompTIA A Core 2. 220-1202 exam. CompTIA A Core 2. 220-1202 exam overview. Exam information. Exam objectives. Preparation tips. 1. A technician needs to provide remote support for a legacy Linux-based operating system from their Windows laptop. The solution needs to allow the technician to see what the user is doing and provide the ability to interact with the user's session. Which of the following remote access technologies would support the use case? A. VPN. B. VNC. C. SSH. D. RDP. Answer: B. 2. A technician is attempting to join a workstation to a domain but is receiving an error message stating the domain cannot be found. However, the technician is able to ping the server and access the internet. Given the following information: IP address 192.168.1.210. Subnet mask 255.255.255.0. Gateway 192.168.1.1. DNS 18.8.8.8. DNS 21.1.1.1. Server 192.168.1.10. Which of the following should the technician do to fix the issue? A. Change the DNS settings. B. Assign a static IP address. C. Configure a subnet mask. D. Update the default gateway. Answer: A. 3. A technician notices that the weekly backup is taking too long to complete. The daily backups are incremental. Which of the following would most likely resolve the issue? A. Changing the backup window. B. Performing incremental weekly backups. C. Increasing the backup storage. D. Running synthetic full weekly backups. Answer: D. 4. A technician installs VPN client software that has a software bug from the vendor. After the vendor releases an update to the software, the technician attempts to reinstall the software but keeps getting an error message that the network adapter for the VPN already exists. Which of the following should the technician do next to mitigate this issue? A. Run the latest OS security updates. B. Map the network adapter to the new software. C. Update the network adapter's firmware. D. Delete hidden network adapters. Answer: D. 5. Technicians are failing to document user contact information, device asset tags, and a clear description of each issue in the ticketing system. Which of the following should a help desk management team implement for technicians to use on every call? A. Service level agreements. B. Call categories. C. Standard operating procedures. D. Knowledge base articles. Answer: C. 6. Users are reporting that an unsecured network is broadcasting with the same name as the normal wireless network. They are able to access the internet but cannot connect to the file share servers. Which of the following best describes this issue? A. Unreachable DNS server. B. Virtual local area network misconfiguration. C. Incorrect IP address. D. Rogue wireless access point. Answer: D. 7. An organization is experiencing an increased number of issues. A technician notices applications that are not installed by default. Users are reporting an increased number of system prompts for software licensing. Which of the following would the security team most likely do to remediate the root cause? A. Deploy an internal PKI to filter encrypted web traffic. B. Remove users from the local admin group. C. Implement stronger controls to block suspicious websites. D. Enable stricter UAC settings on Windows. Answer: B. 8. A user is working from home and is unable to access work files on a company laptop. Which of the following should a technician configure to fix the network access issue? A. Wide area network. B. Wireless network. C. Proxy network settings. D. Virtual private network. Answer: D. 9. A technician thinks that an application a user downloaded from the internet may not be the legitimate one, even though the name is the same. The technician needs to confirm whether the application is legitimate. Which of the following should the technician do? A. Compare the hash value from the vendor. B. Run Task Manager and compare the process ID. C. Run the application in safe mode. D. Verify the file name is correct. Answer: D. 10. Which of the following is used in addition to a password to implement MFA? A. Sending a code to the user's phone. B. Verifying the user's date of birth. C. Prompting the user to solve a simple math problem. D. Requiring the user to enter a PIN. Answer: A. Subscribe and like past question.